Here's how to start over on TurboTax. So if you need to start over, you want to clear your whole return, just start from the beginning. All you have to do is go down to the lower left. You're going to find a little button or drop down that says Switch Products. And inside of there, there's going to be upgrade, maybe even downgrade, but then you've got clear and start over. So we can click on that, and it's going to warn you that everything is going to basically be removed and cleared. And so if that's what you want to clear and start over, then you can go ahead and click that blue button and then click the red button that says yes, clear my tax data. That's going to take you back to the screen where the lady's like waving at you. And then you can just completely start over from the beginning. And bonus tip, if you want to start for free, then don't click anything on this next checkbox area. Actually just skip all of that and hit continue, and then say you are comfortable filing your own taxes. And then when you continue again, TurboTax is going to recommend you the basic free edition of TurboTax. So $0. You can start for there. It might not end up being $0. If it does cost you, you can always start with the affiliate link in the description that actually helps support this channel, but also gets you 20% off your TurboTax filing, anything you have to pay. So any of the products, if you do have to upgrade to deluxe or premium or whatnot. But you can start for free with this $0 return right here. And then if you encounter something where you have to upgrade, then later you upgrade. You say you file your own taxes, or maybe you didn't last year, or somebody filed for you, and then we continue and you're back where you were. You've cleared everything and you've started over. So you can start fresh from the beginning. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can restart on TurboTax, or that's how you can start over on TurboTax.